Hi, everybody. So, as I promised, we will continue with present continuous. This time I will explain the question forms with the short answers. Okay, and you don't forget that the present continuous is formed with the verb to be, that can be am, is, or are, the verb, and it's very important the ing at the end of the verb. So, I am teaching present continuous right now. Okay, so let's see what we have. In part one, we covered the affirmative or positive form of present continuous and the negative form. So that was covered in part one. And let's see part three. Present continuous with the question form. So let's see how you make the questions in present continuous. So now when you say I am working, now all you do, you take the verb to be and put it first. So am I working? Are you working? Is he working? Is she working? Is it working? Are we working? Are they working? And then you have the short answers to these questions. You can say, yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Or yes, they are. Okay, and then the negative can be formed with not. It's formed with not, but sometimes you can use the short form. You can have the long form or you can have the short form. So you say, are you cooking? No, I'm not. No, I'm not, or no, I am not. Are you listening to the radio? No, you are not. No, you aren't. No, he is not. No, he isn't. No, she is not. No, she isn't. No, it is not. No, it isn't. No, we are not. No, we aren't. And no, they are not. No, they aren't. It doesn't matter which form you want to use, the short form or the long form. Is the main thing is use it correctly and then it's good. Okay, so let's see, I have some example here. So we have to make a question. I didn't put here the verb to be. He, the verb is play and soccer. So how do we form the question? Because it's he, if you forgot, always say I am, you are, he, she, it is. So you remember, he is. So we start with the verb is. Is he playing soccer? And you remember, excuse me, you remember verb to be and ing, they go together, they like each other. Present continuous, that's how you form it. Verb to be, ing. Is he playing soccer? And then you can answer, yes, he is. Or no, he is not. Short form, no, he isn't. Okay. Okay, couple questions we can try together. Number one, I don't know what the question is here. They watches the verb TV now. If you have they, what is the verb to be for they? The verb to be for they is are. They are. So, are they watching TV now? Short answer, yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Okay, another example, another practice. Now you have you. This is a little bit different. When somebody asking you a question, you can say I am, or in this case. So are you baking a cake now? There is the verb bake. Are you baking a cake now? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. You don't say yes, you are, because they are asking you a question. So are you sitting? Yes, I am. Are you listening? Yes, I am. Or the negative form, no, I'm not. And you remember when you say no, you have a not, okay? You cannot say no, I am, or no, he is. You have to say not. With no and not, they go together. Okay, now I have in number 3, we have Mia and Toby. So Mia and Toby, they are 2 people. Even if you think about this is plural, so I have to use are, or if you think about Mia and Toby, it will be they. So you have they are. Outside at the moment, and the verb is play. Okay, so are, because they are Mia and Toby playing outside at the moment? And the answer can be yes, they are, or no, they aren't. No, they aren't, are not. There you go. Okay, so I would like to little bit review everything. So a little review exercise here. I will give you the positive or affirmative sentence, and then we'll make the negative sentence, and we'll make the question. Okay, couple of these, and then let's make the question too. So A is for the positive or affirmative form, N is for the negative form, and Q is for the question. So for example, I tell you, let's put number 1, so we have a couple of these. You can say that he is making coffee. Okay, of course, you start with capital letter, always start with capital letter. So there you go. Verb to be is, and I have the ing correctly at the end. Okay, so he's making coffee. Let's put there now. He is making coffee now, and I can make it a little bit bigger for the students who don't have laptops or tablets, just telephones. Okay, so he's making coffee now. Okay, how would the negative be? Remember, the negative we form by putting not after the verb to be. So you can say he is not making coffee now. He is not making coffee now. Okay, that would be the negative form. He is not making coffee. There you go. This is. And because this is negative, I will change this color. So you see, all we did, we just added a different color. This color, if it shows better. Okay, he is not making coffee now for the negative. And the question, it's very easy to form if you take this verb to be here from the affirmative. He is making coffee now. I take the verb to be from here and I put it first. Okay, so all I do, I take this, I put it first. So instead of he is, I will make is he. Is he making coffee now? Hopefully I still have it. Yes, okay, and because this is a question, we need a question mark. So the verb to be stay the same in this case, okay? Is he making coffee now? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Short answer. Okay, let's do one more. I'd like to do at least one more. And that could be, okay, so sorry, what happened? Number 2. And I put a, okay, and then maybe this way it will work better. Okay, so this will be, let's just say, okay. Are you? Okay, you are. I am. I am writing a letter, maybe. Or I am reading a book. It's easier. I'm reading a book right now. Okay, I'm reading a book right now. Verb to be am for I am. There you go. You have the ing ending here. And I'm reading a book right now. Okay, maybe I'm not. So how will you change that one? Let me just put this one on the next page so you can see everything together. Okay, so I am reading a book right now. The negative form, when I say, no, I'm not doing it. I am not reading a book now. I am not reading a book right now. Okay, all I did, I put a not after the verb to be. All I did, I put the not here. I am not reading a book right now. Okay, so the verb to be stayed the same. You see, the only difference between the positive sentence and the negative one is that I have a not after the verb to be. I am not reading a book right now. And the question will be interesting because I know if I'm reading or not. I won't ask myself, am I reading a book right now? But I will ask, are you reading a book right now? Okay, because I don't have to ask myself. I know if I'm reading or not. So that's why the question would be asked from somebody else. Okay, so are you reading a book? And I would answer, yes, I am reading a book right now, or I'm not reading a book right now. The short answers would be, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay, let's do one more just to be sure that you understood. So let's do number 3 here. And okay, that always happens, it jumps away. Okay, so let's try this again. So we do, let me see, what should we do? Maybe they, we have am, we have is. Okay, let's do an are. Okay, so we can say that my brothers are listening to music. Okay, my brothers are listening to music. It's plural, my brothers. So that will be they. Okay, my brothers are. So they are listening to music. They are listening to music. Okay, but maybe they are not. So how will be the negative form? You remember, after the verb to be, I will put a not here. Okay, so let me copy this one quickly. And then all we do, we say my brothers. So this is the negative sentence, negative form, my brothers. Or if you want, you can say they are not. They are not. So you see, after are, I have not. They are not listening to music. Okay, so this didn't change. That changed. Okay, and the question quickly would be, I just take the verb to be from here and I started the question like that. So are they, instead of my brothers, are they listening to music? And question mark. Okay, I hope this lesson helped. I will stop here. I hope this lesson helped and I will send something out as a practice. Okay, bye everybody.